Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you all another mini landscape painting on Menorah sketchbook. I am working with camel acrylic colors, and in the very beginning I'm going to wet the painting surface and then I'll start adding this light blue color for the sky. After having done with the sky, I will take a fine brush and start adding the green like structures, and for this I am using Prussian blue mixed with sap green. The distant bushes appears to be dark, so for that the border areas I am using dark colors, and when the color is gradually reaching towards the end of the page, I will be adding other shades of green, and here you can see that I am adding lemon yellow mixed with sap green. After having done with that, I will mark out the other part of the painting, which is the water body or a pond area, and half of it will be clear blue, and as it is proceeding towards the land, it will become more like a green in nature, which also signifies the reflection of the bushes or the green structures of the land on the surface of the water. And after having done with this, I will cover the whole land with some shades of burnt sienna mixed with white, and with this you can actually add the appearance of muddy paths in the grassland. Now let's get started working with the tree. I am using a fine brush, and in the beginning I will draw out these tree trunks and branches. Here I am using Prussian blue mixed with burnt sienna and a little bit of sap green. Once done painting these tree trunks, I will just take a fine brush and use chrome yellow, lime yellow, lemon yellow and sap green, and simultaneously I'll add these shades for the canopy of the tree. I'll use these different shades of the green wisely as per the shadow areas of the tree. Here the sunlight is reflecting from the top right corner of the sky, so the shadow is on the opposite direction, that is the leftmost part or beneath the canopy area. And also I'll draw a shadow area beneath the tree on the ground using Prussian blue and sap green. Once the tree is painted, I will just use Prussian blue to cover up this visible white area and to get more intensified look for the tree. And after having done with these few touch-ups here and there, and the tree is almost done. After having done with the tree, let's get started painting the riverbank area or the land where water is meeting. I have painted the muddy lands with burnt sienna and little bit of black. You can also notice that the reflection on the top of water differs at different levels. At the top you can see orange shades, and gradually it is blending into light blue followed by sap green. The land which is at more proximity to our eyes appears to be a grassland, and I have added few wildflowers here. You can literally add any sort of colored flowers of your choice in this section. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this painting video. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below about this painting, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more painting video updates from my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram for more Instagram reels and work in progresses. So guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.